Congratulations on picking up a PrimeWire smart home device. Let's walk through how to get the Smart Home app installed and get the most out of it. To begin setup, you first need to download the Prime Smart Home app in the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. You can find the app by searching PrimeWire and Cable. Tap the PrimeWire app icon to open. Now install and open the Prime app. On the next screen, you will create a profile by registering with your phone number or by using an email address. Then create a password. You are now ready to add your devices. Make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi and plug in your devices as near as possible to your router. If your router has multiple bands, be sure to connect to the 2.4 GHz band. If the blue light on the device is flashing rapidly, it is ready to connect. If the lights are not flashing, press and hold the button for approximately 5 seconds. Once the device is blinking rapidly and you confirm, you will need to connect the device to your Wi-Fi router using the router's password, so be sure to have it handy. The device will now connect. It may take a few minutes for this step to complete. Once connected, the light will be solid blue and you are ready to control the device. To modify the device name, share the device with another person, or see other information about your device, tap on the 3 dots in the upper right corner. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos to get the most out of your Prime Smart Home device.